guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a V-part wig install featuring Incolorwig. They sent me over their Kinky straight V-part wig, so we're going to go ahead and install this hair. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So you guys have seen me install V-part wigs on my channel before, but if you are new, they are super simple to install. You can do no leave out, or you can do a very minimal leave out. So today I decided on a minimal leave out. So my hair, I took it and just already blow dried out, and then I did create that V shape because that's the shape of the wig. And then I just put my hair in 2 braids as the protective style, and to make sure this is like a really protective style where my hair is still flourishing and everything like that, I do use my Lavish Curls products from my business. So I use the hair growth oil on my scalp to stimulate hair growth, make sure it's nice and moisturized underneath my wig. And then I also just use the Mango Moisture hair growth butter to actually braid my hair so it's nice and moisturized, so my hair isn't dry or brittle when I take it out after having this style. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go in on what we got here. So included is, you know, the usual goodie bags. We have a scarf, we have a wig cap, some lashes, and some clips. And then we have the actual hair. Oh, there's more stuff. We also have a headband and then another wig cap. So let's get into looking at this hair. Oh, there's like a little adjustable band if you need. So here's the hair. Kinky straight texture. So Kinky straight pretty much always looks like blow dried hair. So this is what we're working with. I will put the inches on the screen. I believe it's a 20 inch, but if it's not, it will be on the screen. This is the shape. Okay, so this is, I feel like this is the first V-part wig I've seen where the V was even shorter, which means I could have did way less leave out than what I have. Okay, so I can see like now companies are starting to get more innovative with the V-part wigs and really just making less leave out. Okay, wow. I wish I would have opened it first, but you guys know I usually unbox on camera. So it also has the clips. So a nice and secure. I like when they have these kind of clips because I just feel like it stays on better. And then it has side hooks, like little clips. So yeah, let's go ahead. I really could have used less hair, so I'm clipping it first. I think that's really good. I'm hoping more companies are starting to do that because the less leave out, the better. Like, we do not need all that leave out. So let's see. I'm gonna get it nice and close. Snap. Well, it still worked out, but I still in a sense could have used less leave out. Snap, hook those sides in, and this hair is super soft. It feels great. And then I'm just making sure the back hooked in. Boom, we're nice and good. Ooh, this is a lot of hair. Like, if you like that blow dry look, perfect. Now let me just grab my comb. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I would just want to do a middle part so that we're covering basically the track. And then basically gonna comb my hair into the wig. So yeah, I definitely could have gotten away with slightly thinner leave out, but still the amount I used was good. So super easy, as y'all can see. It's blending in pretty good. I could have even did like, okay, so for my, when I blow dried my leave out, I did like medium, no, I did high heat. So I could have did like medium heat so that my hair could still have a bit more texture and not have gotten as straight, but this is what it looks like. Very big hair. So if this is your style, you like hair like this, then very simple. You guys saw how fast I just installed this unit. If you want an even straighter look, you can of course go in and just use your flat iron to straighten out this hair, to give it more of a straight look, and it'll still be texture in there, but it'll definitely look like, you know, your natural hair. Especially if you have a tight forehead like mine, it's going to look very natural and good. Also, if you want to, I would say some like wand curls, so then it'll be really like big bouncy hair. I think that would look good as well. But for today, super simple, easy install. And if you wanted no leave out, you could definitely do no leave out. All you have to do is just do like 2 little anchor braids and then clip it onto those anchor braids, and then make sure that the parting is just super close, and then that's it. But for this to be minimal leave out, it's great. The hair feels super soft. There's no weird smell. There's no shedding going on. So yeah, really nice quality hair. This is my first time working with them, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the wig. It's thick, it's not skimpy, it's good from roots to ends, and it looks very natural. Like, it feels like good quality human hair. It doesn't feel weird or anything like that. So I'm impressed. So make sure you guys check out Incolorwig. I will have all the specs and details linked in the description box below. They have different styles of wigs over there, so you're sure to find something you like. And also in the description box is my discount code, so make sure you check that out as well. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Hello, stranger.